October 4, 1957. This was the day when the world's first satellite was launched. It was named as Sputnik 1 and was launched by the Soviet Union, which was also known as the USSR back then. And after this mission began the space age or the space race. This launch was a shock for the entire space industry. From that day until now, there are 8,000 plus satellites that are orbiting our planet, that is Earth. But do you know that these satellites are just not for space research? These are the machines that are running your everyday life. Right now, you're sitting watching this video by your phone. You're using the internet broadband services for it. When you go out in the weekend, you'll surely need a GPS map to trace the location where you are heading to. You watch the live cricket, live TV shows. How? How is this even happening? The answer is the satellites. Without satellite, everything just stops. So in this video, let's see what are satellites, how are they controlling your everyday life, and also without satellites, how does our world look like? How do satellites work? Imagine there is a satellite that is orbiting the Earth at about 1000 km up. Satellites usually have a power system, solar panels, antenna, sensors, and also cameras. Whenever there is a signal sent, be it via a TV or a GPS request sent to it from the ground, the satellite located above the Earth will receive it and process it, and then it will send back the signal to the user on the ground. So a satellite usually works like a relay station. So it orbits around our planet, it sends and receives the signals. But there are also some satellites which are fixed at a certain location, which are called as the geostationary satellites. And also some satellites that orbit around the Earth's poles around the polar orbit. So this is the reason why we can watch our favorite live shows, live cricket matches, also access around the GPS and the internet as well. Apart from this, we also have the natural satellite, which is a beautiful moon. Now let's break down how satellites are controlling our everyday lives. Our every second, every minute of the life is revolving around usage of satellites. First, we have the navigation. You might have the application of maps and GPS in your phone for sure. And also you might be traveling by cabs or getting a food delivery or going on a trip to some new location. This is done by using the Google Maps. In this situation, the GPS satellites tell us the exact location of where your device is located. And also when you search for a certain location, it shows the exact location on the map. So without satellites, there is no location access as well as no navigation. The second very important thing is communication. Nowadays, we have a lot of our friends, family and relatives who don't live in the same city as we do. They either live in different city, different state or even different country. How do you ensure to be connected with them all the time? You generally FaceTime them or voice call them. How is this happening? With the use of internet. And in return, this is happening with the help of the satellites. Communication satellites are used in this point. These communication satellites are also very useful to connect rural areas with the urban areas. The next important thing is weather forecast. You might have seen there may be so many predictions and the weather forecast going on in the television as well as on the newspaper. How do we get all these predictions done? Because of the weather satellites, which continuously monitor the clouds and the temperature of Earth. There are so many natural disasters that have been prevented with the help of using weather forecasting satellites. Without these satellites, we could not get an advance warning for all these major disasters. One more very important thing is TV broadcast and internet. Gone are the days when we used to have physical wires and cables for our TVs, right? Now we have the DTH or the dish that we use for our TVs, which are again operated by the satellites. Apart from this, now we have so many OTT channels coming up on which we never want to miss the trending show. And also binge watch so many shows again and again. For this, again, you need an internet broadband connection. So all of this is happening with the satellite transmissions magic. Another most important thing is for the military and security. Different countries use satellites to border surveillance, spy missions and also enemy movements and always monitor and keep a check on them. Without satellites, the military operations might go blind. One day, if the connection just goes off, how would the world look like without the use of satellites? At first, it would be a nightmare. There would be haphazard everywhere. People might go crazy because their connection is lost, internet is gone. Most of the companies now work on internet fully. How will everyone be able to connect with each other? Even the person who is just lying on the bed scrolling reels might get frustrated after the internet connection is lost. So you can already imagine the consequences of it. No live TV, no updates, flight delays because the navigation system has crashed, no warnings of the disaster that will be happening in the future. The military surveillance will be down, and also there will be no internet in the remote areas as well. Basically, the world would stop. So this is how our lives would look without internet. Even you would not be able to watch this video right now. Now, in the final chapter, let's understand India's most important satellites. India has launched a lot of advanced satellites. There is the INSAT series, which is for weather and communication, the IRNSS or NAVIC, which is India's own GPS, Cartosat, which is for Earth observation and mapping, GSAT, which is for TV and broadband services, and the RESAT for surveillance and radar imaging. Apart from all these bigger satellites, there are also tiny cube-sized satellites, which are called as the CubeSats. These are pocket-sized satellites which typically weigh up to 1 to 10 kgs. Also, the CubeSats have made space more accessible, not just for the government but also for the students and startups too. Now you know how satellites play a very important part in our everyday life. So next time when you're watching that live cricket match or a live TV show, there is a satellite up there which is working non-stop just to deliver all these signals to you. Science is so invisible that we can't even feel it, but it is the one that we need the most to get all our works done. If you are interested in watching such amazing videos about science, space and astronomy, subscribe to my channel and stay updated for more such amazing videos. And also let me put a quick question to you. Which one according to you is the most important satellite?